Hello, in this video we're looking at MEI Further Pure 1, the May 2010 paper question 2, which is on matrices. Looking at the question, we're given a matrix equation and we're asked to convert that into two simultaneous equations. We're then asked to find the inverse of the matrix and to use that to solve the equations, noting that if we don't use that method then we will not get the marks. So for part 1, I start with my matrix equation, m, which is 2, 3, minus 5, 7, multiplied by xy is equal to 9 minus 1, and multiply that out to get my two simultaneous equations. 2x minus 5y equals 9, and 3x plus 7y is equal to minus 1. For part 2, I start by finding m inverse, and that's 1 over 2 times 7, which is 14, take away 3 times minus 5, which is minus 15. Swap the two terms in the leading diagonal and change the sign of the other two terms, and that gives me 1/29th, 7 minus 3, 5, 2. Using that to solve the equations, if I pre-multiply both sides by the inverse, on the left hand side I just get xy, and on the right hand side 1/29th, 7 minus 3, 5, 2, multiplied by 9 minus 1. That's 1/29th of 7 9s are 63, take away 5 is 58, which we note is a multiple of 29, which is normally a good sign. And then minus 27 minus 2 is minus 29, which gives us 2 minus 1. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. And you should go back and check that this works with your original equations. Now checking the mark scheme, we see that for part 1 there is 1 mark for each of the two equations to be correct. For part 2 there is 1 mark for dividing by the determinant and another mark for getting the inverse correct. And for solving the equations, there is a method mark for pre-multiplying by your inverse and an answer mark, accuracy mark, follow through for both x and y. If you want to find videos of other questions on this unit or on other units, please visit the Further Maths Support Programme's website. Goodbye.